Yeah, first visit to Porth, but I'd obviously heard about what was happening here, so and I wanted to see what was going on.
We identified seating is a big issue of Porth. There's no seating areas. That's why we try to bring up like seats and stuff like that into the project, and that's why we called it Take a Seat. And then we connected with each shop by like making like speeches or phrases that connects to the shop.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Hey ye! Come! Take a seat! Take a load off your feet! Tell us what you think of Hannah Street!
I say, like, you know, I know it sounds kind of cheesy, but like, you know, more flowers. I find colour brings the good energy. If it's all dark and gloomy, then of course you're going to be dark and gloomy.
I'd say like a live music event or something. It's not too niche though, something that can include everybody.
Stuff where people can go, like a place for youngsters even.
Should have more faith in kids, more faith in the youth.
Like places where like autism people can like meet at.
These spoons are all from litter picking and recycled spoons.
That's why we then clean those up and use them in the table to sort of show that they're not just rubbish, they can recycle and create art.